Fansly verification process. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a quick video on the Fansly verification process because I have a lot of girls not understanding what they should be doing and actually getting denied. So Fansly is definitely a platform that I always recommend to my models that can't get approved on Onlyfans. But Fansly actually, from when I started 2 years ago on the platform, has actually kind of changed the verification process slightly. So it is a little bit more difficult for my girls to get approved. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe down below. You give the video a thumbs up as it absolutely helps the channel so I can continue to make as much useful content for you as possible. And if you are looking to grow your OnlyFans, Fansly, or FanView business, reach out to me on Instagram. I have guaranteed fans promotional services, Twitter, Reddit management, one-to-one coaching, or if you need help getting approved on Fansly or OnlyFans, I also have approval services. So again, reach out to me on Instagram. So let's get into it, as this video is super quick, but there's just minor little details that you need to make sure that you are entering correctly, because this is a very large platform and you are going to have to fill out some stuff so that way you can get paid and obviously approved. So they need to make sure that you are a real person and that your information matches. So the number one thing that I always tell all of my clients, and guys, it is 2025 right now, content, lighting, everything plays a role, in the digital era that we're in. So please stop uploading and giving them low quality, low lighting, dim lighting pictures for your verification process, and then you're wondering why you're not getting approved on Fansly. You have to make sure that all of your content and even the pictures that you're taking for your verification process have very good lighting, they're not blurry, and it's readable. So many of my clients that reach out to me for help to get verified, I always ask them, send me everything that you've sent them. I review it and everything. And there's so many times where the pictures that they submitted are trash. It's so low quality. The ID itself is blurry. Like, what are we doing, guys, right? Like, you kind of have to use your common sense just a little bit. And that's not to be mean, but it's just the honest truth. Instead of beating yourself up why you're not getting approved, just look at things from like an actual standpoint. Is my ID that I submitted readable? Are the pictures good quality? Is the picture of me with my ID good quality? If you can answer those, then yes, then great. But if not, you need to redo all of that stuff before you even submit it, or you are going to be denied. After that is making sure you do that verification piece of paper. This is the most important part. This is the thing that they were not doing when I signed up a couple of years ago that they are doing now. So you have to make sure, and again, this is only for the safety of the platform, which you should feel better about, that they are really trying to monitor the platform and not have any scammers and spammers or bots on the platform. But you have to make sure that you write your full name, that you put the actual date, the correct date of the day that you are applying, and then you write for Fansly on the bottom of that little piece of paper that you are going to submit it. You are also going to use a clean sheet of paper. You aren't going to have a paper that, kind of like on mine, has some type of designs on it or anything. It is going to be a clean piece of paper. You have to make sure it's large enough to be visible. I cannot tell you how many of my clients send me the picture of their piece of paper, I don't know why I air quoted that, of their piece of paper, and it's like the writing is so small compared to the rest of the piece of paper. With that picture that you are going to be taking of yourself, with yourself, the picture, and your ID, they have to make sure that they can read what's on that piece of paper as well. So if you don't have great handwriting, which I don't, put in the extra 20 seconds and make sure that your handwriting is readable. That is the biggest thing. Lastly, make sure all of your information matches. And I say this for all of my clients, for FanView, OnlyFans, or Fansly. You can't upload an ID that has has your full name, but maybe you're entering your nickname into Fansly. You can't do that. Every single piece of information needs to match. So if you follow all of these tips, you absolutely will get approved on Fansly during the verification process. But if you need any help, reach out to me on Instagram. I have tons of services for you guys. Until next time.